The former head of the Hillsborough Association for Retarded Citizens says he knew nothing about the misuse of clients' Social Security benefits, and he blames any wrongdoing on others. Now, we've been reporting on Richard Lilliston for years, and today he was in court testifying in his federal conspiracy to defraud trial.
Lilliston laid the blame for diverting clients' Social Security benefits on his second in command. 5 years ago, Target 8 senior investigator Steve Andrews revealed that money meant to benefit individual clients, in fact, paid for perks for HARC executives, including Lilliston.
Yeah, and today Lilliston just pleaded ignorant to everything that went down at HARC. He was the only witness that his court-appointed attorney offered. Lilliston claims he hadn't read documents he signed at HARC and was unaware of an illegal endowment fund funded by clients' money and your tax dollars. You gonna tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? A long day on the stand for former HARC CEO Richard Lilliston. He denied any knowledge of an endowment set up to siphon Social Security monies from clients like Vicky Caldwell. The money then dumped into HARC's operating account. Lilliston signed contracts with HARC clients like Robert Franklin, the prosecution claims, to make the money transfer look legal. Robert's brother, Ralph.
Personally, I'd like to see him in jail. I mean, this is a situation to where not only did he steal money from the federal government, but he stole money from developmentally disabled children that cannot defend themselves.
Lilliston says he didn't know what he was signing. How did you not know about the documents you were signing? I mean, were you incompetent or negligent? Lilliston blamed all of it on former CFO Frank Pannulo. He testified he caught Pannulo in a lie, but never questioned Pannulo's financial reports. So, Lilliston, let me get this straight. You knew Mr. Pannulo was untruthful to you, and you never checked any of his financial reports? Lilliston gave Pannulo a $38,000 pay raise in 2010. The prosecution says that was in exchange for Pannulo doctoring documents, giving Lilliston a bigger pay raise than HARC's board approved. Lilliston told jurors he only took an $1,800 a month car allowance because Pannulo hounded him to do so, funded, at least in part, by Social Security benefits. You have anything to say to the clients whose money you used on your car allowance? The pay raises, car allowances, cell phones for Lilliston's family members, all paid for from clients' Social Security benefits. There's no argument there. The question is whether Lilliston knew about it or not. He says he didn't. Two former CFOs testified he did. Both are witnesses for the prosecution, hoping their testimony will buy shorter sentences. Of course, they pled guilty earlier to filing false information with Social Security about how their benefits were spent.
Well, hopefully he did more talking in court than he did to you, because he was walking around talking to somebody who didn't want to answer any of your questions. But I'm curious if he was asked anywhere along the way if he thought that these clients fully understood these complex agreements that they signed and he signed.
Yeah, these 6-page contracts, yes, he was asked. And with a straight face, he answered yes. He believed the clients, some of which operate on the level of 2-year-olds, understood. Final arguments tomorrow.
Should be interesting. All right, thank you. If you have a problem you'd like to see Steve investigate, you can call our Target 8 helpline. The number is on your screen, 1-800-338-0808.